Looking for relief, mind over matter. Well, many of us are familiar with some kind of physical pain, and some feel it every day. And while you may have learned to live with it, medicine is trying to better understand the causes and the relief. Today's NBC's chief medical correspondent, Dr. Nancy Snyderman, has a look at the relationship between pain and the mind.
It can cause distress and agony. It may feel like a pinch, or it may be throbbing and debilitating. This is pain. And when you have it, your body is telling you something may be wrong. Pain is also your body's way of sending a message to your brain. But what if we could get inside the brain and alter our minds so that we could feel little or no pain? Guided imagery is one way doctors are helping patients ease their pain before and even during surgery.
Pain has both physiological and psychological aspects to it. And so both the experience or emotion behind pain can certainly be alleviated by being calmer or imagining more calm or healing thoughts.
Those thoughts or suggestions like don't bleed, heal quickly, and no pain are given to the patients on a CD that then helps guide them mentally through surgery.
This all comes from more ancient healing traditions. They've always believed that the mind could impact the body. And it's sort of Western medicine has moved away from that concept and is now, gladly, moving back to that idea.
Listening to music after surgery seems to also work. Brenda Russell was given a CD of piano ballads at Case Western Reserve University after undergoing gastric bypass surgery.
I think that it's helped relax me and get rid of a lot of the pain without taking the drugs.
I ask the patients to relax and distract themselves from their pain. This activates the natural painkillers in the brain, and it also helps to prevent the pain impulses from reaching the brain.
Professor Marian Good has conducted several studies on the relationship between pain and music and its effect on a patient's recovery.
But on average, they have about up to 31% less pain after listening to music than they would with medication alone.
I had a lot of fear initially about childbirth and about labor, and I was able to learn through hypnosis for childbirth how to release those fears, how to let them go.
Hypnosis is focused concentration in an altered state of mind. Doctors say it has been used successfully with women during childbirth, one of the most painful experiences the human body can have.
We're awash in a culture that truly believes that we have to have a significant amount of pain in order to move through childbirth.
Tanya McHale is a hypnotherapist, specializing in hypnosis for childbirth.
It allows a woman to have more control over the perception around contraction. That means that she can tell herself, my cervix is receding, my baby is moving down, my body can allow this strong sensation. And as she focuses on that particular experience, she's having a different experience than someone who is telling themselves, this is the most excruciating pain I've ever gone through in my life.
Alternative therapies like these with a mind-body connection suggest that mind over matter may be the best medicine of all.
And Dr. Nancy Snyderman joins us now with more. Nancy, so many Americans, millions suffer with pain. So why is finding a cure or some kind of solution so elusive?
Well, I think cure is maybe the wrong word. There are things you can do to fix things, everything from meditation to taking the hot pepper ingredient, capsaicin. And there's a new research out saying that perhaps even in an open wound during knee surgery, if doctors put capsaicin in an open wound, will that decrease pain when a patient wakes up? I think what we're looking at now is this extraordinary combination of things we used to consider folklore with cutting-edge science.
And a whole new approach to alternative medicine in that way.
What you shouldn't have to do is grit your teeth and bear it. Whether it's chronic pain or whether it's acute pain, there are things you can do.
Nancy Snyderman, thank you so much.
Bet.
Great. And when we come back, which organic